Introducing the sleek and sophisticated saloon with diesel fuel and automatic transmission, packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle also boasts a luxury trim interior and chrome package styling. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Contact us today or visit autocarry.ie for more details on this incredible vehicle. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind.